What is up, friends and fam? Today we're going to do something new to the channel. I'm actually surprised we haven't done this yet, but I know YouTube can be a little weird about this kind of stuff, but I don't think my channel is big enough that it matters yet. So we're going to go ahead and film a vlog at the shooting range. I was out last night and I ran on one of my buddies, James, and we've always talked a lot about like survival basics and prepping and that kind of thing, and lately he's been really picking my brain about firearms. So, and I know he doesn't have much firearm knowledge. I think he's shot once or twice in his life, but probably with no real instruction or at a legit range. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna take him up to a local state game land range, walk him through a few things, just give him some basics. We're gonna shoot a 22 Kel-Tec pistol, then probably a 9mm full-size Glock 17, and then I have the fun one. I got a Kel-Tec PLR 16, and if time permits, we're gonna go to the next range down and try to punch some holes at 100 yards with a bolt action 5.56. So we're just waiting on him to pull up, and then we will be on our way, and we'll see you guys up there. What's up?
Not shit.
James, vlog, James, say what's up.
Yo, what's up? Got you a Powerade.
I got you coffee.
Word, let's do this.
All right, guys, we have made it to the range just in time for everybody to leave. We now have the range to ourselves, so we're gonna send a bunch of rounds down range. James went back to get the coffee. I'm gonna start getting us set up, and it's time to have a blast. Boom! Alright, we are rolling out. I hope you guys enjoyed that epic range edit. James, what do you think? You have fun?
Dude, it's fucking awesome.
That's what's up. Until next time, guys. Huggybear. Peace.